guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So as you can see here, all this trash, it was a chicken coop that was cleared so that we could make them a place around here. So we are moving them here, this chicken. So the materials that I've shown you, some of the materials that I have shown you were taken from there to make this chicken coop. As you can see here, the chicken droppings. Now some of these materials were used to make this new chicken coop, so that they can have a better place to stay. As you can see, there's up here, there's down here, and up here. So I'm going to separate this chicken so that some can stay up, some can stay up here. As you can see, so that some can stay here and some here. So it's work in progress. And since, as you can see, this looks like a store, a bit of a store. It's because where the chickens were staying, where they were staying just underground here, there is some renovation that needs to be done. It was an unfinished house, but now, since some work will be starting there soon, we are going now to move the chickens up here. And they have somewhere to stay. At the same time, we still have a store where we can store our stuff, some of the stuff, so that they don't get rained on. So come along. That will be showing you some snippets of the of the construction, not the construction per se, but it's finishing work of the rooms, the houses there. They are rentals. Since they have to generate money, they have to renovate them, paint, courtesy of my father. And yeah, so you guys are welcome, and we shall see how things shall be. So as you can see here, some of these chickens are already chilling out here. And I don't know whether you guys have seen, there's a small garden here. There's a small garden here, kitchen garden. So you have to do some work here. You need to plan on a day when someone can come, do some weeding, or my girlfriend can come and actually my girlfriend, she has a YouTube channel. I'll link it down below. Well, I just put the link down below of this video. Make sure to check her out. I might ask her to do some of the gardening here, some of the gardening work here. So you guys are welcome, and also I'll look for someone who can all this stuff, all those important stuff that need to be arranged can be put in that store. That's that's right there. That's behind the tank. Right there. I don't know whether you can see. So I'll get those fundis who are renovating that or making that store to collect all the important items here. Then they can the rest, the unimportant stuff, they can be thrown away. So guys, as you can see, this garden needs some work. Here I have some this terere. This terere is usually good. Actually, it's really nice. You eat them with sukuma wiki together with this. They are really nice. You eat them together with ugali. Oh, that's corn. That's corn and water. You stir. Then that's ugali. It's it's just maize flour. Maize flour. Yeah. So you can see earlier we had some skumas. Some skumas before we did some digging, but we left it out. The rain. We didn't plant some. We actually had planted some stuff, some skumas, but they didn't go well, as you can see. It didn't really go well before the rain now. Before the rain. So you can actually see the skuma. This skuma wiki. Kales in English. So if you mix or you do, you fry this and this together with tomatoes and whatever, then you eat with ugali. It's usually very nice. It tastes really nice. So you guys come along and see this. That's a small puppy is really bad behind there. I don't know whether you can see around there. So see if this place needs some work. It needs some work to remove this grass. I don't know where to take this grass, but I just throw them for the chickens so that they really need grass. If you know, chickens really need greens and grass, and to help with the provision of some minerals and vitamins.